Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel RGUHS Pharmacy. Today let's solve the RGUHS University Physical Pharmaceutics-2 November 2022 question paper. Okay, very important question paper. Already we have solved June 2023 question paper. Now this is a November 2022 question paper. Go through this question paper, and at last means I am discussing one more question paper in PP2. Okay, only we will discuss three question papers, and definitely I am telling, if you practice only these three question papers, which question papers are given by me, no, you just practice those three question papers, 110% you will pass your examination, and you will not get year backlog also. Yeah, it's my guarantee I am giving you all. Just three question papers, no more hard work here, nothing. Just you have to keep your effort, put your effort on this three question papers, and if you practice this means it's enough. And also see here, I am also working very hard for you all, so see, your support is very important here. Please support. If you support means I will get motivate, and I am interesting to upload this type of the videos more and more. Okay, and actually these are not benefit for me. No, 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 these are in 100% 99% it is beneficial for you only. Okay, this is not by myself or no, these are questions from your question papers. Okay, and no one YouTuber, you search, no one, in the YouTube, no one will give you like this answers for the particular question paper. Particularly I am concentrating on RGUHS University. Yes or not? So support me. If you support means I will help you a lot, don't worry. Now see, some questions what they have done means some questions are repeated here, means in previous question paper what we solved, no, some are repeated. For an example, see, first question here, discuss electrical and kinetic properties of colloids. Here already we discussed electrical properties in the year June 2023. This sem only, means June 23, what we solved yesterday, no, that question paper, this question is repeated. So repeated questions, just I will give you a note here, electrical properties repeated from June 2023. Okay, understand that and read from that, and that link also I will add in the description. See here, just what you have to write, first you write electrical properties and all, how is there in the June 2023 question paper answer sheet. Then kinetic properties, you have to write what you have to write in kinetic properties. In kinetic properties, see, you have to write this Brownian movement, diffusion, sedimentation and all. Clear? Then here you have to write kinetic properties, Brownian movement, you have to explain that Brownian movement. Okay, then you have to write the diffusion, what is this diffusion, kinetic properties, in that osmotic pressure, viscosity. Next, one more question, or question. That or question, it is repeated in question paper 2023. So we will leave that. Now we will come to our second question. How do you prepare flocculated suspension? Okay, define a sedimentation volume, a degree of sedimentation. Simple here, just you have to write what is suspension definition, flocculation, then characteristics of ideal suspension you have to write. Then you have to write formulation of the suspension. Okay, these are the formulations. This you have to practice. Then you have to write the methods of suspension preparation, how you prepare. One is precipitation method, dispersion method. Okay, particularly here I explained dispersion method, go through that. Then sedimentation parameters, in that sedimentation volume you have to write down, and this all theory you have to maintain. After that you have to write this suspension quantified by sedimentation volume. Okay, this all you have to write down. Next, you have to write the degree of flocculation, this you have to maintain. Now in 5 marks what you have to write, what are colloids they were asked, classify. First you define the colloids, what are these colloids, then you go for the classification, then you go for the means main classification, lyophilic colloids and all. Okay, that you have to classify and all, lyophilic, lyophobic, multi-molecular colloids, these are the called classification. Then see, or question here in 5 marks, or question it is repeated, where in question paper 2023. See, many questions are repeated, that's why I am solving only 3, because repeated questions are there. Then define plastic and pseudoplastic system of flow. First you have to explain your non-Newtonian system, because this plastic and pseudoplastic, it comes under non-Newtonian only. Plastic flow, pseudoplastic flow, diluent flow, these three. First one is plastic flow, these you have to explain plastic flow. Then with a graph also you have to explain with a graph is very important. Okay, then you have to go for the pseudoplastic and all, then you have to explain pseudoplastic with a graph. Next is a define flocculated and deflocculated suspension, or question it is, here you have to write flocculated, deflocculated. You don't make paragraph means columns like that or separation like this. Just write one by one. First you write deflocculated, then you write the flocculated. Okay, don't make para. Okay, after you, if you wrote this deflocculated means after writing deflocculated, you draw these three figures. Okay, these all you maintain. Then this is for the formulation of the suspension, how your suspension get prepared and all. Okay, that all you have to write down. What are the derived prawn? Now next, fifth question, it is repeated in the June 2023. Okay, these all quotations I am giving, note it is giving, you just remember that one. Then derived properties you have to write. Okay, our derived properties are there, you derived as everything. Then seventh, it is also repeated, that is question number 9, it is repeated where in the June 2023. Then explain the factors influencing rate of reaction, you have to write rate of reaction, factors, temperature and all. Then you have to go for the our last question, that is a define order of reaction, explain the substitution method, particularly they ask. First you have to write all these methods, graphical, substitution, half life. In their substitution method you have to particularly explain that all. 2 marks questions are there here to see 2 marks. 10th one, define Kraft pointer. Then 11th question, what is Hardy surge rule. Then define viscosity and reunite Newton's law of flow. Then Newton's law of flow. After this you have to explain multiple and micro emulsion. Then state Stokes law. Then 17 particle size distribution and particle number. 18th half life and shelf life. 19th question, last question is a define pseudo zero order reaction. This is the 2022 November question paper, solved question paper. The link in the description, easily you download it and read from that. Clear? And share this video, share, you have to share this. Don't worry, after completion of this question papers I will try to explain this all. Which one? These solved question papers I will try to explain one by one. So better you first take these notes and follow me, definitely you will pass in your examination. Thank you.